Today, I'm making a cranberry apple coleslaw. It's very good. It'll go with anything. Barbecue, Thanksgiving, a side dish with just about anything. But today I'm going to use it as a side dish with my roasted chicken, sausage, and potatoes. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Here's the chopped apple and sliced cranberries. Next, I'm going to start with the mayo and yogurt, green onion, pecans, and honey, and my seasoning. So we're going to start with just a 14-ounce bag of pre-made coleslaw. This makes it easy. You know, you're not having to shred your own cabbage and everything. I'm going to add the green onion, sliced cranberries. These are sliced dried cranberries that I get from nuts.com. They have great dried fruit and nuts. Pecans, my chopped apple. So simple, and it's so good. So we're going to make the dressing, this is a mixture of mayonnaise and yogurt, the Greek plain yogurt. Honey. I really like the dressing for this coleslaw. My seasoning, that's ginger. Once this is mixed well, we'll combine it with the coleslaw. Now, it's best if it chills for 4 or 5 hours. Overnight's even better. It thickened up a little, which I liked even better. So here we go. So simple, and this would be great as a side dish for Thanksgiving with the cranberries, but I liked it so much, I'm going to serve it other times as well. You want to make sure you coat the coleslaw with the dressing. It's thoroughly mixed. If you like coleslaw, you're really going to like this. It's not too sweet. Everyone that I shared it with enjoyed it. Putting it back into the smaller bowl. I'm going to cover the bowl, put it in the refrigerator, and I will serve this tomorrow. Thanksgiving is getting close and Christmas is right after. Then there's Easter, and then, well, you get the point. This slaw is so good, and you can serve it anytime, really. The dressing is outstanding with the honey and ginger. Just give it a try. It's an excellent side salad for any occasion. Now you can find the printable recipe on our new website, darlenestable.com. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.